Oh, hi again. So I was given an assignment from my professor to talk about robotics. So first of all, what is robotics? Well, as you can see on the screen, robotics is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. So let's start with explaining how these robots work. I will be using this thing called the Epson T3. So anyways, how does it work? Well, firstly, you need to tell the machine what to do. And in this case, it uses a software. In most robotic software, you basically just write code to tell the robot what to do. And after you're done, you can run the code into the robot and watch it go. What I told you is a very simplified and compressed version of what it is. In reality, there are much more and it's a lot more complicated. Well, don't believe me? Okay, here's all the syntax. But if you're asking why do all of this in the first place, well, there are a lot of advantages with robotics. Robots help automate things and let humans do other things. Not only that, some robots do the job better than humans. Just like the advantages, there are also a lot of disadvantages, but I'll cover a few of them. Flexibility. This stems from the fact that, like I said before, robots do exactly as they told. So, for example, if a robot is piecing together two Legos and one Lego piece is missing, it will still keep going, not knowing it's literally doing nothing. However, this can lead to another problem, which is safety. Okay, so I'm gonna use this thing called a spring lock suit from Five Nights at Freddy's. It's basically a suit that can switch between suit and animatronic mode. Here's what it looks like. What the robot does is just pulls the spring lock back if a person is wearing it, and if a person is not wearing it, it puts the animatronic parts back inside, so it can be an animatronic. But let's say what if the spring locks were to go off with a living person wearing it? Yeah, you can probably imagine where that'll go. This is what it looks like after that, by the way. Yeah, I know, bad way to go. There are a few real world examples, such as a woman getting literally decapitated at a milk factory. Yes, I'm not joking, literally showing the video right now. But let's go back to the T3, for example. What would happen if I don't know, someone were to put their head when the T3 is moving at a fast speed? Yeah, not good for their skull, I imagine. Or maybe they put their hand right below the gripper when it's about to grab something. That would also be pretty bad. So that's it about my short recap of what I learned in my robotics and automation class. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.